Welcome to this Spring Equinox meditation, an opportunity to embrace renewal, growth, and balance as nature awakens. The Spring Equinox marks the time of year when day and night are equal, symbolizing harmony, fresh beginnings, and transformation. In this meditation, we will align with the energy of the season, release the old, and plant the seeds of new intentions. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Let your body relax as you settle into this moment. Begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter, more at ease. Now visualize yourself standing in a lush meadow, surrounded by the fresh scent of blooming flowers. The air is crisp, carrying the gentle warmth of the sun. The earth beneath you is rich and fertile, supporting your every step. As you stand here, imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, connecting you deeply to the earth. Feel the stability, the grounding energy of nature, anchoring you in the present moment. With the changing of the seasons comes an opportunity to release what no longer serves you. Imagine a soft breeze flowing through the meadow, gently carrying away any lingering doubts, worries, or heaviness from the past season. As you breathe out, let go of old patterns, fears, or anything that may be holding you back. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, more open to possibility. Now, bring your attention to the energy of renewal. Imagine holding a small seed in your hands, a symbol of new beginnings and growth. Take a moment to set an intention. What would you like to cultivate in this new season? It could be more love, creativity, confidence, or simply a fresh perspective on life. When you're ready, gently plant this seed into the fertile earth before you. Feel the warmth of the sun nourishing it, the rain providing its strength, and the soil offering support. Know that just like nature, you are always growing, always evolving. Take a final deep breath in and exhale any lingering tension. Feel gratitude for this moment, for the opportunity to realign with nature and embrace renewal. When you are ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes, carrying the energy of new beginnings with you into your day. The seeds you planted today will bloom in time. Trust in the cycle of growth and embrace this season of renewal with an open heart. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Wishing you a beautiful and abundant spring equinox.